try that again. Hey everyone, this is Kevin Richards here from Rock to Stage NYC here on YouTube and rpmvocalstudio.com on the web for voice lessons worldwide. As always, check out the description there. Lots of really cool stuff. How to get both my vocal courses for $50 as a digital download. Playlists to all sorts of other topics on singing, as well as how to take lessons with me via Skype, kind of like this, or here in the studios here in New York City. As well as please like and subscribe to the channel. If you do subscribe, please check that little notification belly thing, because just being subscribed doesn't mean anything anymore. Not really sure why. But anyway, here's the topic for today, and that is, I see this question a lot, and I'm asked this question a lot with my students when they come in first time, and that is, what can a beginner do to help improve their voice? Now, the number one thing that singers need to do first is learn how to support their voices, not breathe. Learn how to support. Breathing is taking the air in. Support is the exhale out. Learn how to support the voice correctly. Most people try to sing from here and not enough from here. The voice is a wind instrument. It is powered through air pressure. Therefore, the first place to start in creating sound is thinking about my air pressure up through the voice to get it to undulate or vibrate. So, what can you do to start with this? It's very, very simple. Let's take a middle C, for example, here. If you're a female, you want to start on the G here. That's perfectly fine. For the guys, I'm going to start here in the middle C. Women, there for you. It's very, very simple. This. Ha, 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 ha. All I'm doing is an H-A. Ha, 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 ha. See how the throat is open? Women here. Ha, 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 ha. Relaxed throat. I am going ha, ah. So the vocal cords are wide open, relaxed. And I'm going ha, 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 ha. Breath first, sound second. Ha, ha, ha. And you can see how easy that coordination is. Ha, 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 ha. Now, if you're having trouble and you're starting to choke as you go up, you're a guy or a female. Remember now, middle C, you can get that. Ha, ha, ha. So do something I call wash, rinse, repeat, which is apply exactly what you're doing. Don't change what you're doing. Go to this note. Ha, ha, ha. Ha, ha, ha. Ha, ha, ha. Your high C. No change in the throat. You don't hear anything starting to strangle or choke. Air first, sound second. Now, if you get really good at that, take the H and close it with an M. Ha, ma, ha, ma, ha, ma, ha, ma. The M is momentary. It's only to get closure. Then pop out the ah. Don't drag or stress the M. Ha, ma, ha, ma. I'm going and I'm grinding on that M. Ha, ma, 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 ha, up to the high C again. Women. It should feel exactly the same. All you're doing is momentarily going, to get the vocal cords to close first before you make sound. Ha, ma, ha, ma, ha, ma. But as soon as you go into the ah, it should feel open. Ah, like the ha, ma. The M is only an articulator to tell you what it is you're singing. Otherwise, it just sounds like ha, ma. A weird kind of mush of vowels. Just M is momentary. Treat every consonant basically like a P or a B or a D or a G. On, off, get to the vowel, man. Only articulate enough to get compression, then launch that vowel out. Okay? This is the simplest first thing that beginners can do to start to get their voices, breath before sound. Till next time, this is Kevin Richards. Keep rocking, keep practicing.